Bitcoin is right now in danger, bratans. However, in my opinion, relief rally is not over, and why I thinking Bitcoin is in danger and why the relief rally is, in my opinion, not over. So first of all, why I'm thinking Bitcoin is in danger, because if we are zooming out here on the daily, and this, by the way, I'm doing also on Twitter and also here on YouTube Shorts, I do quick update videos because I not always have time to make this full review. And there, one of our bratans wrote me this and saw this, so therefore I want here to share it with you. So this actually props to this bratan who saw it. We see on the RSI right now we are forming a bearish divergence, so this is a little bit concerning. You see here this bearish divergence, it means the RSI is going down while the price, you see here, the price is going up. Wait a minute, you see here the price is going up while the RSI is going down, and not only on the daily but also on on the weekly. We see here a massive bearish divergence, because also here you see the RSI is going up while the price is massively going down, right? I mean, I have even to scale a little bit. You see here the price is clearly going down, so this is called a bearish divergence. However, brother, in my opinion, right now the relief rally is not over. There's still room to go to the upside. However, what's very important to understand, Ethereum will have in March, and it's not, I mean, we have right now the 24th February. In March, they will have a Shanghai update, right? And always what we are doing in crypto, or in general also in the stock market, it's called buy the rumors, sell the news, right? And this is the event which is happening right now. So right now is buy the rumors and sell the news will be shortly before the update in March. So therefore, I'm expecting in March that the bearish divergence will work out. And then we will see huge drop in the whole crypto market. But watch out for this bearish divergence. However, if we are watching, and this is what I'm watching, S&P 500. S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin, right? And we see here, we broke here this massive resistance line to the upside, which is very bullish. And right now we are retesting here this white line. And as long as we're not breaking it to the upside, in my opinion, we will see a pump to the upside. And if S&P 500 running, then is Bitcoin running, right? Therefore, we have, in order to understand Bitcoin or crypto, we have to watch S&P 500, and we have to watch this white support line. In case we are breaking this white support line to the downside, I will immediately close my long position. You know, I have a big long position open with around $20,000 in a long. If you're on my Telegram group, you know it, which is absolutely for free, by the way, bratan. Therefore, I'm watching it closely, and in my opinion, this is the leading indicator which you have to watch, S&P 500. As long as we're not breaking it to the downside, everything is very healthy. In my opinion, we will see here bounce, and we will see another relief rally to the upside, especially if we are watching the RSI on the S&P 500. It cooled down. We see here on the weekly we are neutral right now. On the daily, we are oversold right now. On the 4-hourly, we are oversold right now. On the 1-hourly, we are also neutral, slightly oversold. On the 15 minutes, we are slightly overbought, but I mean, doesn't matter right now. We have to watch the bigger time frames. So we are nearly on all time frames oversold. So therefore, we could see maybe a little bit more down to touch this white line, but there's not a lot room to go to the downside, in my opinion. What it means for Bitcoin and crypto it means we are bouncing here in the big picture between this weekly resistance and daily support right now. And yes, this daily support is not the strongest one, because the real daily support, or the real massive daily support, is at 21,680. I explain you exactly also why. Because you see, I opened right now the EMA, right? And you see here the blue line. This is the 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average, this is the blue line. This blue line, this is the real fat big support. The red line is only the 20 support line. So this a little bit weaker. Therefore, yes, we could potentially break this daily support down, and yes, potentially we could set a short here to this daily support at 21,680, or we could even go, like I told you today in the morning, to 21,300 to the weekly support, right? However, I wouldn't short here right now, because it's still the probability that we see Bitcoin pumping to our weekly and monthly resistance at 27,500 is more likely than we will see right now that the trend will reverse to the downside, right? Therefore, what I'm doing, again, in case we are breaking here to the downside, right? In case we are breaking here to the downside, to the daily support or weekly support, in my opinion, this is even a bigger opportunity for a long. So even if we break 21,680, it would be massive long opportunity to 27,500 with the stop loss, I would say, below the weekly support, so at 20,700, or if you want to be sure, even below 20k, right? Even if it would be below 20k, the stop loss, still risk reward ratio at 3.0. You see, 3.07. Amazing risk reward. In case we are breaking even to the weekly support, then we can open at 21,200. I will even add to my long, and then we have a risk reward even much more nicer. Then we have a risk reward of 3.3 even, right? I mean, even higher if it's slightly below 20k stop loss, it's 4.7. So in my opinion, in case we are breaking down here to the daily support or to the weekly support, we have even a bigger long opportunity, right? So therefore, I still watching for that we will reach here 27,500 in this relief rally to the upside. Yes, in the bigger picture, because people asking me left and right, they bombing my DMs. Is this right now the bull market? No, this is not the bull market. The bull market will start 2024, 2025. Right now, this is only a relief rally, which we saw also in the previous bull run, right? If we're watching here the previous bull run on the weekly, if we are zooming out here, then we saw the same. We reached all-time high, then we saw big dump, then we saw relief rally to the upside, then we nearly again reached the bottom, and right after the relief rally started. So the relief rally right now, it's only relief rally. The real bull market will start after Bitcoin halving 2024, bratans. However, we can make right now a lot of profits, and altcoins which I'm watching right now is FXS, you know, bratans. If you're on my Telegram group, then you know this altcoins which we are watching. AGX is one of the altcoin which I bought again, and I wrote you also in Telegram group. I bought exactly here at the daily support at 37 cents, and right now we are already 10% in profit. And I'm expecting still from here, if Bitcoin further pumps, I'm expecting AGX at least to pump to all-time high to 66 cents again, so 62% pump. And also we are watching FXS right now. FXS, you know, we bought FXS at $6 approximately. I mean, we are already around 57% here in profit, but we are still expecting here FXS to go at least from $10 to $17, right? At least to $17. It's still 64% to go to the upside. And even in case we are not going to these price levels, and we are right now buying, because FXS and AGX I don't buy on leverage. I wouldn't buy it on leverage. I'm just buying it on spot. In my opinion, these are the coins to watch for the bull market 2024, 2025. FXS are expecting to go at least to $100. AGX at least to $1. This is the coins which I'm personally watching. It's not a financial advice. Do your own research. I also not paid by these projects. Unfortunately, I would be very happy, but these are solid projects, in my opinion, not a financial advice. But and if you want to know more about these projects, if you want to learn more about crypto, I have a trading course which is absolutely for free, bratans. You don't have to pay anything. In my Discord channel, also where you can answer, where you have multiple choice, how to call it, like, there are tests for advanced traders, for beginners, this crypto trading course. And then Telegram group, I give you also alerts when I'm entering a trade, when I'm shorting, when I'm adding to my position. How you can join it, it's very, very easy. And now watch out, put your face into your phone. It's basically 2 steps. Link in the description. Make a registration on Bybit through my link. This is where we are trading. deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and then you get free access to my Discord Telegram channel. So very, very easy. Just make a registration through my Bybit link, deposit $500. You can use it for trading, you can use it for whatever you want, and then you get free access to my Discord Telegram channel. So important, quickly, Ethereum, bratans, Ethereum are expecting to go in this relief rally. I'm expecting at least that we will see Ethereum to go to our monthly, weekly resistance here at 1,832. It's still 11%. However, I could imagine that we could even go to $2,500. This would be a pump of 53%. Why to $2,500? Because if we are zooming out at $2,500, we see massive resistance line coming in. You see here in the past it was here big support. Here it was resistance and support. Here also resistance and support. So I expect we could see even Bitcoin, Ethereum to go to $2,500 shortly before this Shanghai update in March. So, brothers, thank you everyone for watching. Don't miss out on Twitter, because they're doing quick update videos, and also here on YouTube Shorts. So make sure you have the alarm bell on if you want to see more, and if you want to watch some comedy videos from me, Slavik.ma4 on Instagram, because you know I'm comedian, bratans. If you want to see, I see you there. But if you have any questions regarding crypto in the Telegram group, I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.